So this is my intro for today's vlog. So today is June 3 and last day ko for today, guys. Flight ko na bukas sa Pilipinas. Okay ka ra, girl? Kaya pa. Grabe, iba good. Iba, basta mulakaw talaga, as in stressful gamay. Adlaw-adlaw ko mulakaw. Talaga eh. Parang walang katapos ang packing talaga ako lately, guys. Ano ba to? Anyways, lover lang. Go for the go. And then, currently, guys, mualakaw unta ko padong sa Lulu. And then, akong Uber kay dugay kaayo, guys. Dugay siya makakakuha og driver. Na-cancel siya. So, nabuhat ko. Kay mo to kog Lulu, guys. Kay napa ko isa ka box bitaw. And then, nahutdan ko og scotch tape. Pero, di naman, tape lang, guys. Kasi ang scotch tape brand pa yun. Ang scotch brand. Charat. Bakineme, no? Ka-feeler ba? Yan lang. Tapos, afternoon is magdi-dinner ulit ako with my ates and kuyas. Last catching up with them. And then, yeah, after uwi na. And then, impake ulit. Wala, ganyan na lang putin ko everyday. OMG. So, ayun lang, guys, for my intro for today. Samahan niyo ako sa aking laag. And my very last day here in Riyadh. So that's it. See you later. Hi guys, nandito kami sa kakainan namin, which is a sukiyaki pa din. Sila yun, nandun siya. Kasama ko mga ate ko. Hi! Welcome! Hello! Baka ka rin ako sa una, wala pa. Ulit kami here. Yeah, Kuya, you can get your toppings here, and then you can make your sauce here. So, sige guys, mga first time din. First time here. Kain lang. Hello, English mo. We secured our side dishes and waiting for the soup. Ano na? Excited?
Bunch of processed.
Yeah. Bunch of processed. Okay.
Processed everything.
Lutuin ang crabs.
Matagal ba maluto mo? Where you going?
Ano sa manoy? Sige. Taro nga ha?
Anong flavor niya?
Ano ba yun?
The favorite.
Vanilla tsaka strawberry te.
Ay, hindi ka marunong. Baliktad ko yung pagkaka-twist niya. Ang gusto ko lang.
Perfectionist.
Pwede sa'yo nata sa ayoko.
Hi!
Hindi taba ko dyan ha. Huwag mo kukuhanan. Ako din na. Kailangan siya lang. Hello eh. Kasi
Ayaw mo ng dalawa. Okay, ready? And we do have...
thank you so much.
Open mo na! Are you excited?
Yeah, I will open it. Thank you guys.
And translate, maybe.
It's a
Where is
necklace. I don't know, it's Arabic also. It says Arabic.
Does?
Yeah.
Bunso show.
I can tell also. Thank you.
So what is it, Hannah?
Yeah, it's Hannah. It's Hannah. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful for all of you.
Good luck, Bunso. We love you.
Wear it as a sign of your love.
Dry hand, thank you.
Oh, wait na kami.
Very good company. Hannah, careful.
Uwi na kami. Yes, may na. Hi guys!
babalik ko lang from outside. Charot. Yun nga guys, magkita sabihin nag-dinner kami today sa Sukiyaki. So supposedly sa Asian Taste kami guys, kaso lang yun nga, yung isa kong kuya, hindi siya pinayagan makapasok sa compound. So ayun, decide na lang kami sa labas. And then nag-ask sila anong magandang kainan. And then, you know, diba naka-try tayo sa Sukiyaki. So, buti sa Sukiyaki na lang tayo para makatry din kayo sa restaurant. And then nag-enjoy naman kaming lahat doon. And today also, yun nga, binigyan na nila yung gift sa akin. Ito guys, itong necklace na may Arabic lettering. Thank you so much everyone. Thank you ates and kuya. Binigyan din nila ako ng ito guys, card. So, nakalagay dito, thank you for being amazing. Charis! Turn ulo ko eh. Bunso Hana. So, bunso pala ako ng group guys. So, kaya bunso ang tawag talaga nila sa akin. And then, wishing you all the best. Nakalagay dito, thank you for your love, memories, and laughter, bunso. Archer. Good luck on your next adventure. A little token of love from your ates and kuyas. Thank you. I'll just grab this opportunity to take Ate Connie and Ate Maria, Ate Donna, Ate Grace, Ate Kate, Ate Ann, Ate Rose, thank you. Serlin, Ate Mai, and Kuya Mike. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Of course, Kuya Dwayne and Ate I love you both. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Ate Venus and Kuya Jay, Ate Darlene from the US, thank you so much. Grabe, salamat kayo. Ate Bing, Kuya Cynic, thank you. And Maru and Kuya Maru and Kuya Glenn, thank you so much guys. I'm truly grateful talaga. And then last message, wishing you all the best on your new journey. Thank you so much guys. I truly appreciate each one of you. If makita man ninyo yung video, salamat kaayo guys. I'm so grateful that I've encountered all of you in my life. And as always guys, let's just keep in touch. I'll see you soon. It's not goodbye. It's not goodbye, but see you soon, everyone. Ate and Kuya, thank you so much. Yun lang guys for today. So, today nga guys, last day ko na. And then, syempre, magpacking lang hapon ko, no? For the very last day here. So, ayun, ganihan guys, kaya di ba, matong ako gluluka. So, dugay kayang Uber. So, ba ako kaadto. So, may na lang. Akong isa kate, na siya yung tape. So, wala lang dyan kong kulong. So, mag-packing na sad ko, guys. So, last day ko na dito sa Riyadh. Last day ko na today and flight ko na tomorrow. So, ayan lang, guys, for today. I'll try to vlog tomorrow and upload it for the daily vlog. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope to see you again. Bye!